Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Peggy. If you are new here, I make DIY fashions and sewing tutorial every week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you never miss out on a new video. Due to recent event, in today's video, I will focusing on sewing a face mask. I do want to be clear that fabric face masks are not effective as the official masks that are used to protect frontline responder from COVID-19. In this video, I will show you how to make a cover face mask tutorial. If you do decide to make them with me, let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. I hope you are all taking care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!